Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a field located in far western Kentucky along the Mississippi River, where a 510 engine horsepower John Deere 9510RT track tractor is working with a 45-foot wide KELLY Diamond Harrow on spring tillage. During this video, we're going to take a look at the tractor's production history, specifications, and original price tag, as well as taking a ride up in the cab to see the operator's perspective of running this Diamond Harrow as it prepares the seedbed for planting. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this big tillage team at work. The 9510RT tractor is part of John Deere's first generation of 9RT series of two-track tractors that were manufactured at the company's tractor factory located in Waterloo, Iowa from model year 2012 through model year 2014. The RT series first generation models also included the 9460RT and 9560RT. The 9510RT is powered by a John Deere PowerTech PSX turbocharged 6-cylinder 826 cubic inch engine rated at 510 engine horsepower. This tractor features a full power shift John Deere transmission featuring 18 forward and 6 reverse speeds. The tractor can travel from 2.5 miles per hour all the way up to 24 miles per hour. It is fitted with a 340-gallon diesel fuel tank and weighed in from the factory at 44,491 pounds, and it can be field weighted up to 54,000 pounds. The original price tag for a John Deere 9510RT when it was new was $428,970. The KELLY Diamond Harrow is a unique and effective tillage tool that utilizes a hook and eye chain to link disc blades in a diamond pattern around the frame of the machine. These disc blades put down 41 pounds of pressure on the field, working anywhere from a 1/4 to a 1/3 inch deep in the soil. This implement can run up to 11 miles per hour and simply works up the surface of the field to create a seedbed while incorporating fertilizer and breaking up residue left by last year's harvest to help the decay process and eliminating spring weeds ahead of planting. As the John Deere 9RT and the KELLY Diamond Harrow work their way across this cornfield, we can take a look at these stalks. They're still firmly in the ground. And the ground's a little wet yet, and there's this kind of cheatgrass and other weeds still on the surface that have been sprayed. And this Diamond Harrow does a nice job in just mulching this up
airing out the soil ahead of the planter. We can look back here now. The stalks are knocked down, mulched up, chopped them up nicely. You can see it dislodges them from the ground. The roots are cut. It's knocking these weeds off the surface and just throwing a very little amount of soil over the top of them to start the decay process, but it's not really digging deep into the soil. Smooths everything out nicely for the planter to work the seed bed.
I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing this John Deere 9510RT track tractor and KELLY Diamond Harrow at work on spring tillage. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video if your farm uses track tractors. Tell me about the brand and model that you're running and the implements that you operate with it. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional Big Tractor Power YouTube videos, continue to watch this video for a few more seconds at the end screen for a direct link to that Big Tractor Power YouTube content. As always, thank you for watching.